Most people get this wrong. They assume all learning management systems are the same. But the surprising truth about Cornerstone LMS is that it combines employee training, performance management, and compliance tracking into one highly customizable platform. Cornerstone LMS is primarily used by businesses and organizations to train staff efficiently. It supports online courses, certifications, and compliance tracking. Managers can assign learning paths tailored to roles, and employees can access content anytime, anywhere, on desktop or mobile. This flexibility is key for distributed teams. One standout feature is its reporting and analytics. You can track completion rates, test scores, and engagement metrics, which helps organizations optimize training programs. Additionally, Cornerstone integrates with HR and payroll systems, simplifying administrative tasks. The surprising truth is that while Cornerstone is feature-rich, it can feel overwhelming for smaller teams or organizations without dedicated training managers. Initial setup requires careful planning to maximize its potential. In conclusion, Cornerstone LMS is excellent for medium to large organizations that need a robust, integrated system for employee learning and compliance. It's highly customizable, feature-packed, and scalable, but smaller teams should evaluate whether they need all the functionality. Subscribe for more honest LMS reviews and tips to choose the right platform for your team or organization.